if you're an eco-curious founder, there's a really good chance you can chat with each other all day long about the planet. But if you're not careful, since you're building a brand that helps people and the planet work better together, your audience, like my lawnmower here, needs a little bit of maintenance. So even when you're not talking about the planet, you're still talking about the planet. Once you figure that out, you'll be operating smooth. Now, I'm going to finish mowing my lawn, but hopefully I'll see you tomorrow, Earth Day, on my YouTube Live, where we're going to talk about how much is too much when it comes to eco-speak. See you then.